Dear students, in previous class we study about Coulomb's law in medium air and medium. Here we discuss about vector form of Coulomb's law because force is a vector quantity since it having a particular direction. If two charges are like either both are positive and both are negative, then the force acting between them is repulsive nature. That means if we represent the direction of force on Q2, then Q1 repel Q2 and direction is outward. That is F12 is outward. If we represent the direction on Q1, Q2 repel Q1 and its direction is here outward, F21. In such a way, here also two charges negative, then they experience force of repulsion, F12 is here outward and F21 is here outward. But in case of unlike charge, one is positive and other is negative, then both attract each other. Therefore, the direction of attraction is inward. That is Q1 attracts Q2 and Q2 also attracts Q1. Since we always represent direction of repulsion outward at a charged particle and attraction inward at that charged particle. अगर Q2 पर आपको फोर्स का डायरेक्शन दिखाना है बेटा तो आप इस पर इनवर्ड दिखाएंगे, Q1 पर दिखाना है तो आप यहाँ दिखाएंगे, या रिपल्सन का नेचर है तो आप इस पर Q2 पर दिखाएंगे तो आउटवर्ड, Q1 पर दिखाएंगे तो आउटवर्ड. एंड इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड इज रिटन एज F12, we write down here force on Q2 due to Q1. Here F12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square and unit vector R12. We know that unit vector R12 is equal to vector upon magnitude of vector. If this is written here, F12 is written, अगर हम इस वैल्यू को यहाँ रख दें बेटा तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon, देखिए यहाँ पहले से R12 का स्क्वायर है और एक R12 और आ जाएगा, या आप पहले लिख लें R12 का होल स्क्वायर into R12 vector upon R12. This is written as F12 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12 का whole cube into R12 का vector. That is equation 1. Similarly, force on Q1 due to Q2. We write down here F21 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R21 का होल क्यूब इंटू R21 वेक्टर. ये फोर्स Q2 ड्यू टू Q1 है and this is force on Q1 due to Q2. But R12 is equal to minus R21. We know that if this is positive direction of vector, then just opposite is negative direction of vector. If R12 is positive, then R21 is negative. Both are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Therefore, from इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, अगर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और सेकेंड को आप लेते हैं बेटा तो वी राइट डाउन हियर F12 is equal to minus time F21. That means both charges apply equal force in magnitude and opposite in direction. We also say that they have action and reaction with respect to each other. This is vector form of Coulomb's law. And we discuss next how you solve some questions on the basis of Coulomb's law. Thank you.